Hello everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This channel was actually created during the pandemic, but because of my busy schedule, my uploads have been on and off. But now, I'm finally back, and before anything else, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we'll be more inspired to create more online tutorials and content for all of you. Alright, let's get started. Today, I want to share with you the journey of our printing business, Hans Printing Arts and Design. Our business was officially established on April 9, 2025, and for almost 8 months of service, it has been an amazing and meaningful experience. When we started, we had only one laptop and one printer. That's it, nothing fancy. Little by little, we invested in our equipment. We bought a heat press machine and a mug press machine, and from there, things slowly began to grow. Starting a business takes a lot of courage. Sometimes, courage is even more important than the equipment. But one thing I've learned is this: before you start a business, you should know what kind of business you truly want. You can't just copy what everyone else is doing. As they say, discover your own talent and follow your own direction. In business, you need strategy, you need unique ideas, and you must know how to handle challenges that will come your way. Because trust me, problems will always be part of the journey. And if you don't fully understand the business you're entering, it will be difficult to compete with others in the market. Always remember to stay positive. Not all businesses succeed right away. Some fail, and that's normal, but what's important is that you are ready, determined, and willing to learn. Never say to yourself, "I don't want to start because I might fail." Instead, tell yourself, "I want to try because I might succeed." It is better to start a business and fail than to never try at all. Because it's through failures that we gain experience, and through experience that we become stronger and wiser. To all our customers, thank you so much for choosing us and for trusting Hans Printing Arts and Design. Your support means everything, and we will continue to do our best to serve you. Starting a printing business can be a great opportunity. Demand for custom printing shirts, signage, packaging, merch, business materials continues to grow. Here's a clear, practical guide to help you get started. Printing is a wide industry. Choosing a niche helps you focus your equipment, marketing, and budget. Common niches: t-shirt printing, DTG, screen printing, heat press. Business printing, business cards, brochures, flyers. Large format printing, banners, signs, posters. Promotional products, mugs, pens, bags. Sticker and label printing. 3D printing if relevant to your market. Learn basic design skills. Most customers give you designs to print, others will need you to create them. Essential tools: CorelDRAW, very common in print shops. Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Canva Pro, good for beginners. Affinity Designer, budget friendly. You don't need to be an expert, but you must understand. Print resolution 300 dpi. Color mode CMYK versus RGB, vector graphics. Setup marketing. Build an online presence. Instagram, TikTok, post videos of printing process, Facebook page and local groups. Google business profile, critical for local shops, simple website with pricing and samples. Start getting clients. Best early customer sources. Local small businesses, menus, shirts, signs. Schools uniforms, event banners, sports teams jerseys, merch. Event planners, wedding prints, giveaways. Online marketplaces, Etsy, Shopee, TikTok Shop. Research locally. What do existing print shops offer? What are their prices? What services are missing in your area? How long is their turnaround time? This is where you can beat them. Research online demand. Search for custom shirts near me. Print stickers near me. Cheap banners online. Pick a high profit niche. Some printing services have better profit margins. Most profitable: stickers and labels. DTF transfers, sells sheets to other printers. T-shirts, bulk orders, banners and signage. Corporate printing, business cards, brochures, menus. UV printing, phone cases, gifts, small items. Low profit but high demand, small one-off prints, document printing. Business plan, simple version. You don't need a 40-page plan. Define what you will sell, target customers, your pricing strategy, equipment needed, startup budget, marketing channels, software and digital setup, design tools, CorelDRAW industry standard for printing, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Canva easy for quick layout, Affinity cheaper but powerful, workflow tools, Google Drive, Dropbox, Trello or Notion for order tracking, QuickBooks, Wave for invoices.
Financial tips. Track every expense. Reinvent profits into better equipment. Don't overstock blank items. Buy pre-orders only when needed. Compare suppliers monthly for best prices.
Scale your business once you're stable. Add a second printer. Offer new products, hire a designer or assistant. Move into a storefront. Offer B2B printing to schools, hotels, restaurants. The printing business, particularly commercial printing, is a service-oriented industry that uses professional technology and equipment to produce printed materials at scale for businesses, organizations, and consumers. In a world dominated by digital media, the printing business remains essential because it provides tangible marketing. Business cards, brochures, flyers, and catalogs create a physical, memorable connection with customers. Operational materials, forms, letterheads, manuals, and labels are necessary for daily business functions. Branding and merchandising, custom printed packaging. Apparel like t-shirts, signs, and promotional items reinforce brand identity. https://gemini.google.com/app/f0d for DC018861 #. Text equals the %23 %20 main, 4% 20 offset %20 printing. Press printing. This is where the actual image transfer onto the material substrate occurs using various printing methods. Activities: setting up the printing press, loading the substrate paper, fabric, metal, etc., monitoring the color and quality, and running the print job. Goal: to produce the required volume of prints with consistency and high quality. 3. Post-press finishing. A printing business can choose to specialize in several high-demand niches: marketing and collateral, business cards, flyers, brochures, postcards, direct mail, signage, banners, posters, yard signs, rigid signs, vehicle decals, apparel and merch, t-shirts, hats, mugs, water bottles, and other branded merchandise, stationery, letterhead, envelopes, custom invitations, and notepads publishing, books, magazines, and manuals, packaging, custom boxes, labels, and product wraps,